Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another DIY video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these Cheetos Cocomelon first birthday chip bags or party favor bags or treat bags or whatever you want to call it. Basically, they are party favor bags for your party that you can use to put bag of chips, you can use to put candy, little party favors, whatever you choose to put in the inside. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I made these. They're super quick. I actually had a customer that made them for her party along with the matching Capri Suns and candy bar favors, and they came out cute. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and share this with my YouTube fam as well. So like always, if you want to make these chip bags the same way that I did, you can head over to my website KREATIVEKRAFTINGLLC.com to get my templates. So once you get to the website, you'll go to where it says boy party favors, and that's where you can find the template of this chip bag. So I have a bunch of different themes. If there is not a theme if there is a theme that you want but you don't see it on the website, definitely go into the let's chat section or contact us and reach out to me and let me know, and I'll try to make you a design and have it up on the website within 48 hours. So here are the chip bags that we're going to be using, or here's a template that we're going to be using in this video. My graphics are all instant graphics, so once you check out, a download box will pop up on your checkout instantly, and you can go ahead and save that. So once it downloaded and I went ahead and opened the file, this is how it looks, and we're going to print it exactly as is. Now when you are printing these chip bag templates, please make sure that your printer is set to landscape, not portrait but landscape. Okay, go into your printer settings, or it'll say either orientation, and go into landscape and make sure you have that checked. You must print these chip bag templates in landscape. So once we print those, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how they look. I went ahead and printed it on my laser printer, and this is how they came out. I'll go ahead and leave the type of paper that I use in this video. Now I do know that some people have emailed me and told me that sometimes the paper that they use for their party favors is smudges. So it does take a while to figure out the best kind of paper to use, and it also depends on what kind of ink you're using, whether you're using inkjet or laser. I found that when I use my laser printer, the ink does not smudge on my party favors. So I'm going to be stuffing these with Cheetos, and then to put these together, all you need is your chips, and you need either a glue gun or double-sided tape. Now, since I'm going to be stuffing these with Cheetos, I'm going to go ahead and use my glue gun. I found that with using Cheetos, because the bags are more thicker and fluffier and fuller, it's kind of a little bit more difficult to stuff them. So you really have to pat them down. Now, do not pierce any holes in your chip bag, guys, because that's going to take away from the flavor or the freshness of your chips. So you don't want to punch any holes in the bags. But when using thicker chips like Cheetos, you want to use a glue gun for sure and not double-sided tape. I'm just going to go ahead and take one of my chips and show you guys. These are 1 ounce bags of chips. I got this at my local gas station for $2 for $1, but you can get a assorted variety box at your local Walmart, Target, or even on Amazon. So if I can find them on Amazon, I'll go ahead and link that down below for you as well. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into it, and I'm going to show you guys how to assemble these templates. They're super easy. Now with these templates, they're already pre-designed, so you don't have to make any changes to it. I do have editable templates on the website, and you can go ahead and use those and add your child's name or a birthday message. You can basically personalize those, but these are already pre-designed. So on your templates, they're going to have black lines on them, and the black lines are your fold lines. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold one side and fold the other side above that. It's super simple. Okay, really not much explaining. You guys can just look at me do it and figure out how to do it on your own. But yeah, so I'm going to fold over on one side, and I'm going to put some glue at the bottom and glue down that side. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue on top of this side that I just folded down. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on top of it. Okay, and with the glue gun dries very quickly, so you want to be kind of fast with this if you're using a glue gun. Okay, and once you press down the other side, there you have it. Your chip bag is basically put together. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the helicopter in the background. I'm actually right by my window, and there's like I don't know what's going on in the neighborhood, but there is like 2-3 helicopters in the same area, and they keep on flying above me. It's just ridiculous. But yeah, so anyways, Now that I went ahead and put our chip bag together, I'm going to go ahead and put my hand in the inside, and I'm going to go ahead and put that. And you want to go ahead, if you're using big chips like Cheetos like I am, you want to go ahead and really kind of pat it in like a circular motion, because you want to open up that chip bag in the inside as wide as you can to fit in those Cheetos. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, and once I open it up wide enough, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my chips and go ahead and stuff that in. Then I'm going to try to work the chips that's in the chip bag kind of to the bottom of the chip bag, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stuff the chip bag down. I'm gonna go ahead and do it in a circular motion. That also helps when you're using fuller chips. Just go ahead and stuff it in a circular motion, and then go ahead and get it down as far as you can in that chip bag, just like that. Okay, then after we do that, once I feel like it's down there far enough, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the top of I'm going to stretch the top corners, stretch it and squeeze it. Okay, because that's where we're going to glue the top. We want to go ahead and probably bend it backwards or bend it forwards. I usually bend backwards. Okay, and go ahead and squeeze that, so when we open it back up and we put our glue, it makes it easier to close the chip bag. Just a few techniques that I've learned along the way for making these for customers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the glue in, then I'm going to go ahead and seal that bag right up. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And that's really all it takes, guys. We're basically finished at this point. Only thing I'm going to do left is to go ahead and cut off the extra white that's on there. Now, I had went in and edited these chip bags. I went ahead and took off the white and just made the whole edge of the chip bag blue, so you don't have to cut it. Okay, but since I did this video before I edited the chip bags, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that excess white over. But if you're gonna be ordering these, by the time you watch this video, the newer updated chip bags are gonna be on the website, so you don't have to cut off any whites. Okay, you can just leave the chip bag exactly the way it is, because both edges will be just completely that aqua blue color. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the white edges on mine. And if you do want to cut your edges, you can use either a straight scissor. I think it's better to use a pinking shears, like the zigzag shears, but I couldn't figure out where I put mine, so I just went ahead and used a regular scissor. But it looks good either way. And that's it, guys. That's how we put together these chips. Super simple, super easy, super cute. If you're doing a Cocomelon theme party, this would be a really good party favor, especially if you're going to be stuffing it with Cheetos. This is perfect. Okay, like I said, I do have a editable version of this on the website where you can edit it using PicMonkey or Canva. You can add your child's name, you can add your own pictures or whatever you want to add to make it look the way you want it to look. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I also have the matching Capri Sun labels, candy favors, and a couple of other favors to match this chip bag as well. So definitely check that out. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for your support. If you enjoy shorter videos like this, definitely let me know so I can make more. So yeah, guys, this is how everything came out. Super, super cute. Very, very nice for a party and very quick and easy to make. So thank you guys so much for your support. Definitely give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have any questions, definitely you can email me. My email will be down below in the description box as well. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. And like always, God bless.